This is the gardening family welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Gardening Fantastics, welcome back. This is me sharing a couple of my favorite plants. This is the elephant plant I was telling you guys about. I love this elephant plant. Here's another version of it. Hold on. Moving too fast. Wait, let me show you on this side. This one right here is another version. Let me turn it around a little bit. See it? Elephant plant. Love it. And these succulents are two of my favorites. This baby growing into a tree, and this one right here. You guys like succulents? Let me know in the comment section. But these are two of my favorite plants here. I'm gonna put them in some fresh soil soon. This is what I want to share with you guys today. There's an elephant plant back there. I didn't even pay any mind. And some other succulents of mine. See them? Don't forget to subscribe and invite me to subscribe back. And also don't forget to use the thumbs up button, you guys. If you know the names of these plants, please share. That's it for today. See you guys in another video soon. Thanks for your time and support.